I know. I hate it.
Eating good things that you can. Oh, I got it.
Now I'm never going to another petting zoo. This is what I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
You now understand.
To be fair, this isn't our natural element, you know.
In a wetsuit?
Put on display for our entertainment. By the way, I got some badass pictures of you guys.
I saw a couple of posts on Facebook.
I got one like on my camera. I have a good camera.
Oh, word.
Not that good, but pretty good.
Good enough never is, Jackie. Remember that.
I'm so double-eyed That was the
What'd you
issue.
say?
I said good enough
Good
never is.
And then I
I
get
got
that.
a sick picture of you
and then I'm
jumping on
sucked.
Walk the Plank, and it's